Attention all iPhone users. Your device's security is about to get a major boost, but here's the twist. Apple is rolling out not one, but 2 updates, and the choice you make could impact your phone's future. But here's where it gets controversial. One update is packed with exciting new features, while the other is a stripped-down version focused solely on security. So, which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Apple is gearing up to release iOS 18.7, a smaller, security-focused update designed specifically for older iPhone models. Unlike the upcoming major iOS release, which promises flashy new features, iOS 18.7 is all about fixing vulnerabilities and keeping your device safe. Think of it as a protective shield for those who aren't ready to jump into the latest and greatest just yet. And this is the part most people miss. By offering this update, Apple is acknowledging that not everyone wants or needs the newest features right away. It's a thoughtful move to ensure older devices remain secure while users decide their next steps. So why does iOS 18.7 exist? It's simple. Not everyone is eager to upgrade to the latest iOS version immediately. Maybe you're concerned about compatibility, battery life, or simply prefer the familiarity of your current setup. iOS 18.7 ensures that your older iPhone, models like the iPhone 11 and earlier, stays protected from emerging threats without forcing you into a full-scale update. It's a temporary solution, but a crucial one. Here's the catch. While iOS 18.7 will keep your phone secure for now, it's not a permanent fix. Eventually, older devices will still need to transition to the newer iOS version for continued support. But for the time being, this update buys you some breathing room. Expect iOS 18.7 to roll out around September 15 or 16, giving you a chance to decide whether to stick with the familiar or embrace the new. Now, the big question: which update should you choose? If you're eager to explore new features and have a compatible device, the major iOS update is the way to go. But if you're content with your current setup and prioritize security above all else, iOS 18.7 is your best bet, at least for now. Both options keep your phone safe, but the choice depends on your priorities. To update, simply navigate to Settings, General, Software Update on your iPhone. The process is straightforward, but the decision behind it? Not so much. Here's a thought-provoking question for you. Is Apple doing enough to support older devices, or should they focus more on extending full updates to all models? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take on this.